Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So the day has arrived when Blink has to make a decision. Which house will she buy for her retirement home? Will it be the small house, the Cuckoo home? Will it be this beautiful modern house, or will it be this one, the Magic Castle, or the container house, or maybe this big mansion like this? And she made up her mind she will get this small house, and she purchased it with the savings that she made. All right, so what will be inside this house? So let's try to get inside. Oh, Blink is trying to show you. Yes, this is the spot. And so, oh, this is how the house looks like inside. Yes, it's a much bigger house than the one given by the Cayenne government. Actually, all residents here are given a home of their own, and it's free education. There is free transportation as well, and there are so many freebies. You see, the basic free house, that's a box house, just like the original house where Blink lived for some time. All right, that was good enough. It was modest. Yeah, it was modest. But of course, as the years went by, Blink's things have actually been accumulated. And of course, because of this accumulation, the house became so crowded for her. And so she decided, she has the money to buy a new one. And this one is the bigger house. Look at this. So, I've already fixed the house for you. I've transferred everything. I didn't want you to go through that messy experience of house transfer. Okay, so maybe there'll be a house blessing. Yeah. And I don't know if there'll be a priest who will bless the house here in Kaya Island. But anyway, it's okay. So let's assume that this was already blessed because she is already here and she has bought certain some appliances to make her life more comfortable. Okay, we'll try to see. And in fact, she placed Bummy's gift, that little plant, and also the heart rag which Lofi gave her. Thank you so much, Bummy and Lofi, for giving me those items. So that's for my housewarming, so to speak. Okay, so I just changed the tiles because the tiles in the original house was actually that one. So I bought it already. So actually, I got 240 stars in the original tiny house of Blink. So, let's see how many stars will this small house give her. But anyway, we're not so concerned with the stars. We're just concerned with being happy living here. You see, when we build the house and we make it a home, take note, a house is not a home. So Blink is showing you how she made her first vegetable salad in this house. Wow, it's feeling like real home now. Okay, let's eat. How I wish Lofi were here, but she has a house of her own. She owns a modern house. Okay. This is how you eat here on Kaya Island. After eating, you throw the plate. Magic! There is no trash and no need to wash. Oh, but I have observed that you're washing your hands. That's a good practice. Okay. Wow, and who's that? That's Clink with you. Oh, the rest of the pets are still in the old house. I had difficulty transferring them. Anyway, that old house can still be used. Take note of this. Just have to equip the house again. And perhaps I'm even thinking that I'll have to change the motif of this house, just like in other homes, because there are house parties. Okay, let's try to make something else. Oh, how about coffee? Yes, let's make coffee using this coffee machine. Wow, that's how you make coffee in Kaya Island. Like magic, now it's here. Are you going to take that? Okay, it's not eat of course, but drink. But anyway, all kinds of food and beverages are just given this eat now or store command. Okay, so, oh, and there you go again. She just threw her cup or mug. Was it a mug or a cup? A mug, I suppose. So anyway, look at this. It's so big. No, it's bigger than I thought. Anyway, let's send you to sleep, Clink. Okay, and I will sleep myself. Yeah, it's been a long day transferring and fixing all my things. Oh, what happened, Blink? Can't you sleep? Aren't you comfortable in this new home? Anyway, yes. Oh, there you go again. What's wrong? Oh, it's the light because it's still on. Okay, let's turn off the light. And it's better to sleep with lights off, you see? Feel me. That's it. Can you feel how happy I am with this new home I have? This is more comfortable than the one I used to have. Okay, let's thank the Lord for all the blessings that He is showering upon each one of us and our families every day of our lives. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon.